Hi, it's Mutai here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to screenshot on Windows. Stay tuned.
Chef Mutai, a legend in the making. Chef Shonika, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
If you are new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Now, let's get right into today's video. The first way that you can take a screenshot on your Windows is to press the print screen home on your keyboard, as you can see here. Make sure you have Microsoft Word installed on your computer so that you can paste the screenshot that you have taken there. For my case here, I have Microsoft Word opened. After pressing the print screen, I'll go to Insert on Microsoft Word. I'll click on Insert, as you can see, then come to Screenshot, then select the screenshot that I had taken there, as you can see here. So this is the screenshot that I have taken using the print screen. The only downside of this option is that you don't have the freedom to select where to take a screenshot on your screen. The second way that you can screenshot on Windows is using the sniping tool. This is a free tool that comes in built on Windows. So to screenshot using the sniping tool, go to Start and search for sniping tool. Select sniping tool and choose a window that you'd like to screenshot. Then select the sniping tool, then choose different modes. We have rectangular, full snipe, freeform snipe, but most of the time the new snipe is you can select a custom size of the screen or where you would like to screenshot on your screen. So for example, when we click on new on sniping tool, we are able to select a section of the screen that you'd like to screenshot. Then from here you can add annotations or highlights. For example, I select this pen and I highlight this section purposely. Maybe you intend to pass a message to someone you're sending the screenshot to. And from here now you can go to File, then Save As, then give a name to your screenshot, let's say Menu, then choose a location that you'd like to save the menu or at, then click on Save. The last way that you can take a screenshot on Windows is very hidden, so you need to have Microsoft Word installed on your machine. So I'll open Microsoft Word, as you can see here, blank document. Then from here now you can take a screenshot using Microsoft Word. So how do you do this? To take a screenshot using Microsoft Word, under Insert, so click on Insert. You click on Insert and select a screenshot here. You can select existing screenshot that has been taken last or screen clipping. So you need to select screen clipping and you will be able to take a screenshot of anything on your screen. I'll select a section here on my screen, as you can see, and I'll be able to take a screenshot, and the screenshot that I take will be imported into the document that I am currently working on Microsoft Word. So you can take as many screenshots as you can, and if you want to save this screenshot that you've taken on Microsoft Word, you can right click and say save as a picture. Select save as a picture and you'll be able to save that picture independently inside Microsoft Word. And that is it on how to screenshot on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptiony.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptiony Mutai.
Chef Shoni Matai, a legend in the making. Chef Shoni, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.